Francisco Rivera, President and CEO of Wepa Commercial Cleaning. We are a janitorial service provider for the city of San Diego. We service a lot of federal and state contracts, and some of our clients are Homeland Security, Department of Agriculture, and Department of Motor Vehicles. My sponsor for the 2023 Veteran Small Business of the Year Award was Cheryl Brown. What can I say about Cheryl? I mean, God sent. I would like to dedicate this award to her because 99% of our success came from her. Her assistance, our guidance, how to maneuver writing contracts, creating capability statements, making sure that our business model was in the same standards that we wanted to uphold, which is the military standard, the veteran standard, and we transitioned into the small business. So implementing those skill sets that we were given or trained to use in the military, we just transitioned into the business sector. So one of the main reasons is the ability to maintain consistency, punctuality, and our leadership skills. Word of wisdom to all small businesses, all veteran businesses. Without consistency, there's no start. But more importantly, without commitment, there's no finish.